Okay, the last thing we're going to have a look at here is how to determine the equation to a tan graph. So basically we've got our tan graph, which goes through here, and it ends there. Now, we can work this out. We don't have information intercepts, we don't have information for asymptotes, all we have information is this. So basically what we do is we count up how many cycles there are, or how many periods there are. Now, starting at 0, we go through here, and we got 1, that's where we're back to 0, so that's 1 there. We go through another one, that's 2, and then the last one will make 3. So over a course of 2 pi, we've gone through 3 periods. So basically what we can say is that 3 periods, we can write that as 3t, and we know that that equals 2 pi. So 3 periods is worth 2 pi. We've got to work out this constant t, or for 1 period rather. So to do that, we divide both sides by 3. So we've got t equals 2 pi over 3. So now, because of that, that's the length of our period, 2 pi over 3. So we've got here 1, this is 2 pi over 3. This one will be 4 pi over 3. And then our last one will happen another 2 pi, 6 pi and 3. Okay, now we've got to try and work out the equations to the asymptotes. So for an asymptote, we know that it's got to equal, so we know that this has got to equal pi on 2. So then we'd say, so we know it's 2 pi and 3, sorry, our period is 2 pi and 3, so t equals pi over n. So to find the coefficient of n, that's what we're trying to do there. Almost got a little bit carried away. So, from there, we know that 1 period is 2 pi over 3, so we say 2 pi over 3 equals pi over n. And from there, let's just multiply everything by n. So we have n 2 pi over 3 equals pi, divide both sides by pi. So we've got now n 2 over 3 equals 1, multiply everything by 3, so n 2n equals 3, divide by 2, n equals 3 over 2. So that's our value for A. So we've got tan of 3 over 2x. So that's what we're there. So now, to work out our equation to our asymptotes, we know that 3 over 2x has got to equal pi over 2. So now what we do is just solve for x. Multiply both sides by 2, we get 3x equals pi, divided by 3, x equals pi over 3. So over here, we've got pi over 3, plus 2 pi over 3, makes it pi, plus another 2 pi over 3. So we'd have this at 5 pi over 3. So that's how we go through it. We count up how many cycles we've got, or how many periods we've got, see where they end, or look for where they end, where it ends, where it actually ends on a cycle. Work out, take that value. That's how many periods equals that value. Solve for t. It tells us the length of a period. Use t equals pi on n to solve for a value of n. So n equals 3 over 2. That's what we have there. So that's our function. Now we want to find things like asymptotes. We just substitute away. Let whatever we've got here equal pi on 2 and solve for our asymptotes.